Hello, my name is Ramasu, and welcome to my presentation on question 9 from the 2008 BGCSE Science Double Award Paper 2. The question reads, Figure 9.1 shows investigations into some factors affecting transpiration using a potometer. The same plant was used for 3 investigations. Each setup was carried out in the lab at room temperature. So for the first setup, we have the plant covered with what appears to be a plastic bag. Then we have the potometer there. The second setup B, there's an electric fan blowing, and then for setup C, it's just a normal plant with nothing special there. So and then it says that table 9.1 shows results of the time taken to absorb 5 cubic centimeters of water during the investigations. So yes, setup A took 20 minutes, B 2 minutes, and C 8 minutes. The first question says, in which setup is the rate of absorption fastest? Well, it's setup B here, because in setup B the plant took just 2 minutes to absorb 5 cubic centimeters of water. So the answer is setup B, right? Setup B. And then part B says state 2 environmental factors that were investigated in the setups as shown in figure 9.1. Well, for setup A, the plant here is covered with what appears to be a clear plastic bag. So this plastic bag increased the humidity around the plant. So the first one is humidity. The second one, because we have an electric fan blowing, the second one is wind speed, or just wind. Then C says state which setup was the control. Well, the control was setup C, which was exposed to like normal conditions, right? So setup C. D says state one factor that should have been kept constant during investigations. Well, plants should be exposed to same light intensity. You should not same light intensity, right? And then the other factor, you could say use the same potometer. Use the same potometer. Okay, so that's the end of the video. My name is Ramasu. You can find me on Facebook, or you can follow my Facebook page, BGCSE tutorial videos, if you need more help or if you need more videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.